Many people use Facebook to communicate, but don't know that messages from strangers can be hidden. In this video, we'll show you 4 ways to find and view those hidden messages. Part 1. What are filtered messages on Facebook? Filtered messages are from users not connected to you or marked as junk. Facebook hides them in the message requests folder without notifying you. Here's how to find and view those hidden messages. Part 2. How to find hidden Facebook messages on computer. 3 ways. Option 1. From Messages Request, log into Facebook, click the message icon, go to Message Requests, and click Accept for important messages. Click See Filtered Requests to view more. Option 2. Using Messenger.com, go to messenger.com and log in. Click the 3-dot menu next to Chats and select Message Requests. Check both regular requests and spam for messages from non-friends. Option 3. Searching archived conversations. On Facebook or Messenger, use the search bar to find the sender or a keyword. Archived chats won't appear unless searched for. Open the conversation and click Unarchive to move it to your inbox. Part 3. How to check filtered messages on Android. Open Messenger. Tap your profile icon. Go to People Message Requests. See Filtered Requests. Tap Accept or Delete for messages.